welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a turmeric mask. We're going to be doing a honey turmeric mask, and Tara's going to be doing it with me as well. You guys haven't seen her in forever, and she's back, and we're back, and we're ready to do this mask. So to start, I'm going to show you guys what we'll be using. You're going to need some honey, of course, and some turmeric, and you're also going to need some brushes to apply the mask, a container to put the mask in, and something to mix the mask with. So we're about to go wash our face to prep our skin for the mask, and then come back and mix it. Okay, so we're going to be mixing the mask now, and it is 1 teaspoon of the turmeric and 1 teaspoon of the honey. If that changes, I'll let you know.
Turmeric as an ingredient for the skin is very helpful in reducing the amount of tiny red spots and breakouts that occur on the skin. This turmeric mask can also help with reducing the inflammation and redness for those with eczema. Turmeric can also soften and reduce the appearance of wrinkles, and that's going to give you a more youthful and glowy face. Just a reminder for you guys, turmeric stains, so you're going to want to do this mask in an old shirt, as well as removing it with an old cloth to make it easier. If you so desire, you can use gloves so that you don't stain your fingers, but that's how you remove the mask.
So we're gonna leave this mask on for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then we're gonna wash it off and come back to you guys. Okay, so we took off the mask by just washing it off with water, and we used a tissue to wash it off as well. And now we're about to use some witch hazel as a toner, and tell the people how your face feels. My face feels amazing. You lying? I'm not lying. My face feels good for real. And this is just to get off any of the excess mask.
Oh shit!
Be gentle. Get off any of the excess mask and tone the skin. But of course, this is our first time using the mask, so as you continue to use it, it will be more effective. Put it there by the camera. You see it? Yeah. It'll be more effective. We hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.
And
Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. And turn on all the notifications, please.